stands fast, waiting to embrace us. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. We feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. You breathe, feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. In the stillness of paths left behind, memories will remain forever in our hearts. Listen to the stars, stars that everlast. Let your body unwind. Just relax and fade to black. Just relax and fade to black. Beyond eternity, glowing in new light, a golden mirror stands fast, waiting to embrace us. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. We feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. You breathe, feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. Stillness of paths left behind, memories will remain forever in our hearts. waiting to embrace us. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. We feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. You breathe, feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. In the stillness of paths left behind, memories will remain forever in our hearts. Listen to the stars, stars that everlast. Let your body unwind. Just relax and fade to black. Just relax and fade to black. Beyond eternity, glowing in new light, a golden mirror stands fast, waiting to embrace us. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. We feel the joy and surrender into a new insight. Echoes of dreams drift into the night. You breathe, feel the joy and surrender into a new insight.